Welcome. In front of me is a Meizu M6T, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD into the phone. Now before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool. I have one laying right over here. Or if you can't find this one, which normally should be in the box with the device, you can always use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. Now once you have the pin, I'm going to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so right over here, as you can see where it's holding. From there, simply push it in and the tray should pop out, as you can see. And when you take out the tray, we'll have space for either two different SIM cards, which you would place one SIM card on the space where you'd normally place SD, like so. Or if you're planning to use one of each like I am, then you will move the SIM over here and then simply place SD card on here. There we go. Now let's insert it back into the device carefully so the cards don't really pop out. There's nothing really holding them in there, so there we go. Now I do have a pin on my phone, so that's what you're seeing right here. So I'm gonna confirm the SIM pin, and there we go, it's unlocked. So obviously the SIM card is working, and now let's, as you can see, SD card is working as well. So both of them are working just fine, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.